guys, so we are currently at Taman Negara Sungai Relau, Pahang, and me and the team are going to get into the Sungai Palas in Taman Negara because we're gonna recce the track before we bring the volunteers in for the trekking. So usually we will go for about a few kilometers in and out, and we already bring all the equipment. And we gonna need like the machines, GPS, and a few other things that are really compulsory for the trekking stuff before we can bring other people to the track inside here in Sungai Palas. It's been a while that we didn't get inside this track, so we need to ensure that everything is very safe before we can bring people in. So we're gonna do it today, and Fika will be here helping us with that. And so gonna see you guys soon. Bye.
We are doing preparation for trekking that we will do next week with the volunteer. I'm putting this tape to mark our trek. Now we have done our recce to the Rentis Palas in Taman Negara, and we're gonna head back to the house now. Thank you.
And what about the track?
But the track, yeah, is very fun but
Is it?
tiring.
Yeah, a bit tiring.
A lot of mud. Look at these shoes.
Yeah.
And a lot of leeches. So volunteer, watch out
Good luck.
and good luck.